Control to Alpha 1.
Alpha 1, go ahead.
We've received information in relation to a code purple. The location is the food court area level 2. Can you please attend the location and assist in the evacuation of the area?
Copy that. Control. Can I have additional assistance to this location to assist me in moving people out of the area towards the assembly points?
Copy that, Alpha 1. Alpha 2, can you please assist Alpha 1 in the food court on level 2 to assist with evacuating the area?
Alpha 2, copy that, Control. I'm on the way. Alpha 2 to Control. I have arrived at the location and evacuating people from the area through the main entrances towards the assembly points.
Copy that. Please advise me of any persons refusing to leave the area so I can advise the emergency services.
Alpha 2, copy that.
Alpha 1 to Control. The food court area has now been cleared and all persons have been removed safely.
Copy that. I have advised the emergency services.